Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change your name in Gmail account. Friends, due to any reason if you want to change your name in Gmail account, then you simply need to open your Gmail app. Now in your Gmail app, you need to press on the three lines. Now here scroll it little up and press on settings. In setting, select email ID. Now here press on manage your Google account. Now select personal info. Now here you will find name and you need to press on this small arrow. Now it will show your name. You need to press on this pencil icon. Now from here you can edit your name. After doing the required correction, you need to press on save. Now friends, as you can see, now my name is changed in my account. So friends, like this you can very easily change your name in Gmail account. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.